Going to the arcade. Like I just said. 4 of you. Not on my watch. Ouch! Ah! Ah! Look! 4 more victims just got shot. That's it. I'm going to call the police. Do 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 do. Ring. Answer the phone. Ring. 911. What's your emergency? Ah, yes. We have 9 victims on the street that were shot by this crazy angry bird. Don't worry, we'll be on our way. Thank you very much. You too. Goodbye. The cops are on their way, so don't you worry about a thing. You rang? We're the cops. Ah, do you know us? Yeah, you are Sloopy, Woodstock, Goofy, Mickey, Snowy White Owl, and Blarney. Yeah. So, I heard you have, look right there. Holy fuck! 9 victims just got shot on the fucking street. So, where is this little terrorist at? Terrorist? Terrorist? More like an angry bird for your information. An angry bird? What the fuck is that? That's what we're trying to figure out, too. Well, wherever the hell this angry bird is, we gotta go find him, bud. Ready, Paul? Ready, Steve. Let's do this. Yeah! You, Mr. Angry Bird, where are you? Yeah, gotta find him around here. Sure we will. He's gotta be around here somewhere. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. What the fuck, man? Why are you hiding from me? I'm hiding from the cops. The cops? What do you mean? What's going on? Bam, bam, bam. Hide me! Good morning, officers. How are you today? We're doing just fine, Barney. Have you seen an angry bird? Dun, dun, dun. I have not seen an angry bird. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, he's round, he has a brown chest, and he's very angry with 2 black eyebrows pointing down. Brum, brum, brum. I don't know who you're talking about, so I haven't seen him all day. Well, if you see him, tell him to come to the police station. We're having him under arrest. Why? What did he do? Brum, brum, brum. You see those 9 victims over there? They're dead. Dead? Well, I'll make sure that he'll come to the police station. ASAP. Thank you, Barney. Have a nice day. Brum, brum, brum. Well, we can't find the angry bird anywhere. You have to keep looking. He's around here somewhere, and I know it. Ah, keep looking. Okay, let's go, Paul. Okay, Steve. Brum, brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. Hello, Snoopy. Hi, police officers. I mean, Paul and Steve. What can I do for you guys today? Brum, brum, brum. We're looking for an angry bird. Have you seen him anywhere? You know what? As a matter of fact, bum, bum, bum. I'm a doctor that works at the local hospital, and I helped this victim, and he's right here for you. Da da da! What do you want from me? Sheesh! Mr. Angry Bird. Bum, bum, bum. What? What are you gonna do to me? We're putting you under arrest. Why? What did I do wrong? Bum, bum, bum. Look behind your back and see what you've done to the whole city. You destroyed cars, you shot 9 people, you left blood everywhere. Yeah, you prohibited the law, and now you're under arrest. You can't under arrest me. We can, and we will. Brum, brum, brum. Mr. Angry Bird, you're under arrest.